The tubing disconnect is located on the upper rear portion of the refrigerator. Start by moving the tube from the elbow connector by pressing the collar and pulling on the tube. Next, remove the 2 screws from the tube cover and set it aside. Remove the screw to free the hinge cover from the refrigerator. Disconnect all wire harnesses. Pull the water tube from the tube channel. Locate the hinge lock mechanism of your refrigerator. Rotate the hinge lever counterclockwise to release the lock. Lift the top hinge free from the hinge lever latch. Please be careful of the door, for it is no longer attached by the hinge. Lift the door from the hinge pin and remove. Once the door is completely removed, proceed to remove the freezer drawer. Remove the lower basket by lifting it from the rail system. Locate and remove the 2 screws that hold the drawer assembly to the rail. Grasp the door on both sides and pull up and out to remove the rail mechanism. Lower the door onto the hinge pin. Fit the top hinge over the hinge lever latch and into place. Rotate the lever counterclockwise to secure the hinge into place. Push the water tube back into the tube channel until it exits through the rear. Reinstall the wiring harness. Reinstall the hinge cover and secure it by tightening the screw. Reinstall the tube cover by securing the 2 screws. Reconnect the tube into the elbow connector. Lower the door into final position and tighten the screws. With the door pulled to full extension, lower the basket into the rail assembly.